The NYCLU has undertaken a critical piece of litigation, a class action, to protect the right to counsel of all criminal defendants in the state of New York. And while here in New York City we have the Legal Aid Society and Bronx Defenders that do a good job at protecting people's rights when they're accused of a crime, outside of New York City, in many of the metropolitan areas, because there are no standards, because there's no training, because there's no guidelines for adequate legal representation, people are railroaded through the system and justice is not done. People go before judges without counsel. People go before the court and take pleas without any investigation ever being done. There aren't translators. The list goes on. And for me, it's kind of appropriate that this should be an important effort of the NYCLU, because I got my start as a lawyer back in 1973 representing indigent defendants in the South Bronx. And I understand how important it is to have a lawyer by your side and to have a lawyer who has the tools to give you a proper defense representing you. So this is an enormous undertaking, and the NYCLU has launched a massive campaign to support our effort to pursue this class action for the right to counsel. This is, we've all heard of Gideon versus Wainwright, Gideon's trumpet. This is New York's Gideon, and it's an important undertaking for the NYCLU moving forward.